What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are working on the Acura NSX. So when I first purchased this car, one of the first things I wanted to do was change the taillights out. Okay, car's a 91. I wanted 2002 taillights, so I decided, being that it's just a simple bolt-on mod, that's where I was going to start. So when I first got the taillights, I was really excited to see how they looked. So naturally, I threw them in just to test fit them. Test fitting, turn them, tighten them up. Then I want to see how they look lit up with the lights on, to never taking them out. So when I did the swap on the taillights, I overlooked these gaskets. So these gaskets play a very important role. If you change taillights in any car, make sure you always get the gasket, because what it does is it seals behind the taillights so water doesn't get in. I didn't really understand that concept until I actually opened the trunk and realized that it was taking water in the trunk and it smelled horrendous. So today I'm installing taillight gaskets so I can continue to drive the car. I didn't know it was actually leaking until maybe like 3 months out. I went to put something in the trunk and I was like, holy shit, that smells horrible. Come to realize it had water under the foam. So looking in the trunk, you'll notice I already took all the carpets, and I took out the rubber grommet that goes to the top, and I did wash the carpets out with every solvent you could think of just to get rid of the smell. However, this piece here still has some of that ridiculous smell in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the trunk back together. I'm gonna take this piece out separately. I'm gonna wipe the trunk down one more time with some Clorox, with some ammonia, whatever. I gotta get this thing smelling like a car you can travel in. Smell like somebody stuffed a body in here. Look, if you were able to lift this piece up, see, look at that. Still has moisture coming out of it. These are actually like a dry cleaner wipes I put back here to absorb the smell. It still has water coming out of the foam, and I haven't been driving the car. All right, now the taillights are out, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some spray cleaner. I'm gonna clean off the edges of the rear panel here, get rid of all that loose dirt, try and clean up all this area so when the gaskets and the taillights go in, it's a nice seal, okay? Oddly enough, I did notice was, if you look up in here, what the hell? It's like a little smuggler's compartment on the NSX. Pretty interesting. Let's see if we get some light. I mean, look at that. Not giving anybody any ideas, just it's quite interesting to look at. So this side I already started cleaning up, and then we're through the rest of it. All right, now we got the taillights out. We're just gonna install the gasket. So from the Honda wrapper, you'll notice there's a white side. That's actually sticker that needs to come off. Take the sticker off and you're gonna line them up. Now, all these pegs aren't gonna hold, so don't be discouraged if you notice that you have more pegs than holes on the gasket. It's just a seal, all right? So we've got one more there. That'll go there, and then that goes over that one. The outer one, stick it on the inside. Same thing with this one. The outer one, stick it on the inside there. This one here goes on the outside. This one lines up, you know, it's just two at the top, one at the bottom. It's gonna line those up, 1, 2, 3. And that should stop our water leaking problem here. So I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble everything now that I got everything nice and cleaned up. All right,